remember that one. What I presented yesterday, very short one, here with you all, so that you know that is very interesting problem. Not the problem, my experience. Over 30 years, I did something and achieved something for Singapore, for which I was awarded, given the award and everything. And I am now the pioneer citizen of Singapore. This is our strategy is to reach out to the smart, reliable, it should be smart, at the same time reliable and sustainable, which can sustain for years to come. Smart, reliable, and if flexible also. And if I want to add something, robust, it should not fail. I am a specialist in the water supply network. I started my career as a design engineer, junior design engineer in 1970s. Then went to planning, the demand forecast, all these things, all the modeling and everything of the network. Then I went to the construction, then went to the project, then I went to the operation, SCADA, network operation management, and high level established the school training for the PUB and consultancy. Then I joined the PUB consultant. I was in the government, Public Utilities Board. They are the only statutory board like SHUA which manages water, wastewater, drainage, everything to do with water, anything to do with water, desalination. So I was part of that for 37 years. Before I joined this company, Meinhardt, they hired me to help them in the consultancy. This is the 3 eyes, like a. So first thing was to create an innovative mode of operation to ensure and enhance reliability and sustainability of the water supply system. This is the problem. What we did, this one, first is the plan it, think it, how to achieve this. Put in the paper, plan it. And that planning was done by me. So planning, then after planning, we model the whole network. For reliability, I think we should use, I think all of our, God has given, Allah has given something, make use of that. The mountain, the hills, up and down. If you can make use of the ground high levels for water supply which can flow by gravity, that is the best. Instead of depending on the electrical, mechanical plants, pumping, lift up, they can fail any time. So when I joined first in PUB, my company, I said, why not? We make use of the thing God has given, Allah has given, the hills, build all the storage reservoir on the top of the hill, pump the water from the desalination plant to the hill so that it can flow through the pipeline. And even though there is a breakdown in the electrical mechanical plant, it can be sustainable, reliable, better than, that is how the concept of reliability.